Hello there and welcome to my channel. I'm Marie. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this fun and easy drunken granny stitch. This stitch creates a beautiful lightweight fabric that is great for blankets and scarves and clothing and a lot more. It's also really easy to make and it works up so quickly. So let's just get started. For this project, I'm going to use some Drops Merino Extra Fine. It is DK light worsted weight yarn. I will also need a 4.5mm crochet hook, a darning needle to weave in the ends, and some scissors to cut my yarn. To begin, I'm going to create a slip knot. So I'm going to form a loop, then place my working yarn behind the loop, grab the yarn through the loop with my hook, and pull tight. And then I'm going to chain a number of stitches that is a multiple of 5. So in this case, I'm just going to chain 25. To start the first row, I'm going to skip the first 5 chains from the hook and make a double crochet into the 6th chain. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And to make a double crochet, I'm going to yarn over and insert, then pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And I will make 2 more double crochet into that same chain. So I now have 3 double crochet into the same chain. Next, I'm going to chain 2. And I will make 1 more double crochet into the same chain. And here's our first drunken granny stitch. So next I'm going to skip 4 chains this time. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And into the 5th stitch here, I will make another drunken granny stitch. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet into that same chain. So 1, 2, and 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and another double crochet into the same chain. And I will just repeat this pattern all the way across the row till I have 4 chains left. So again, yarn over and skip 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make 3 double crochet here into the 5th chain. Then chain 2 and make 1 more double crochet into the same chain. And again repeat across. So here at the end of the row, I now have 4 chains left. So I'm going to skip 3 chains and make a double crochet into the very last chain. So that's row 1 complete, and it should look something like this. So to start the next row, I'm going to chain 3. And I will turn my work. And the chain 3 here will count as the first double crochet of the row. So next I'm going to jump over to this chain 2 space here and do my first drunken granny stitch. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet into the same space. One, 2, and 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and 1 more double crochet into the same space. And then I'm going to skip the next 4 stitches all the way over to this next chain 2 space and do my next drunken granny stitch. So again, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 more double crochet into the same space. And I will just repeat the pattern all the way across the row. And here at the end of the row, I have 3 stitches left and a chain 5 that we skipped in the beginning. So I'm going to skip these next 3 stitches and make a double crochet into the top of the chain 5. And my second row is complete. So I'm going to chain 3 again to start the next row. And I will turn my work. And from here I can just go on and repeat row 2 as many times as I want till I'm satisfied with the length of my work. So again, I will work into the chain spaces. 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 more double crochet into the same space. And repeat across. So here at the end of my last row, I have 3 stitches left and a chain 3 from the previous row. So I'm going to yarn over and make a double crochet into the top of the chain 3 here. And at this point, I could choose to make a border around my blanket or whatever I'm making. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. First, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And to begin my border, I'm going to make a single crochet into the very first stitch. Then I'm going to skip the next stitch and make a single crochet into the chain 2 space. And I will make a single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Skip the next double crochet and make a single crochet into the chain 2 space. And I will just repeat all the way across. And here at the end of the row, I'm going to make 3 single crochet into the very last stitch to form a corner on my blanket. 1, 2, and 3. And into the sides here of my little blanket, I'm just going to make 2 single crochet into every chain 3 space. And I will just do that all the way across. And here at the end, into the first chain here of the first row, I'm going to make 3 single crochet. And that will create a nice little corner on my blanket. And next I'm going to make 3 single crochet into this next chain 4 space. And I will make a single crochet into the next chain. And I will just repeat that all the way across the row. So 3 single crochet into the next chain 4 space and a single crochet into the next, and repeat. So this way I will have exactly as many stitches in my bottom row as in the top row. And here at the end of the bottom row, I'm going to make 2 single crochet into the last chain space. And to create the corner, I'm going to find this next chain here and make 3 single crochet into this chain. And again, I'm going to make 2 single crochet into each chain 2 space of the side here of my blanket. And into the very last stitch here, I will just make 3 single crochet. And I will end the round with a slip stitch into the first stitch here. And I'm ready to fasten off my yarn. So I will cut my yarn over and pull my yarn tail all the way through and tighten the knot. And I will turn my work around and weave the yarn tails in on the back side. So just weave in once and once again to secure the yarn.